In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find the saved audio on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app and then go to your profile. Once you are on your profile page, hit add 3 lines and then hit on saved. Then select audio, and that will show you the list of all your saved audios. If you want to play some audio, you can just hit add that play button. Then if you want to stop playing, just hit add stop. And then also you can tap add audio name to get some extra options. So first of all, here you may share this audio with someone by hitting add that paper airplane icon, and then just select the persons whom you want to share this audio with, and then just hit on send. Also, you can tap add use audio button to use that audio in your reel. Just tap on it and then start making a reel with that audio on the background. Also, you can hit add that 3 dots icon, and then you can copy the link to that audio, or you can generate QR code. If you want to remove that audio from your saved audios, just hit add that bookmark icon. Also, you can remove audio from here. Just swipe to the left to show up that bookmark icon, then hit on it, and that will immediately remove that audio from that list. Now let me show you how you can add audio to your stories. So first off, hit that plus sign, select story, then select some photo or video. And now if you want to add audio to your story, just hit add stickers icon, then select music sticker, then hit on saved, and then you will be able to use saved audio in your Instagram story. You can change the album in that way. And then also you will be able to select the exact part of this song that you want to use, and then just hit add done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and I see you in the next one.